Hello everyone, welcome to HCJS Creations. In this video, we'll be knowing how to make a translator app in Thunkable. And what is Thunkable? It is a drag and drop editor in which you can make so many apps like Translator app. So now let's go ahead and create. So now I have already logged in with in Thunkable, as you can see. So I'll send the link in the description to go to Thunkable. So now after logging in, you'll see your dashboard. So now let's go ahead and create a new app. Here, let's name the project as Translator app. Then you need to make sure that you don't check this checkbox. Now we have created, now we have the components here. You just need to drag it in this screen. So let's name this screen as Translator screen. So you can name it whatever you want. Now let's just drag a button component. As you see that, and I will be naming it as translate. Surface spelling translate. Can style over here by clicking on advanced and here. So I'll just change the font family to modify. So you can also change the width of it by clicking on absolute or relative size 50, and height you can set it to like 20. Oh, that doesn't work. You can give 10 or less than that. There you go, it is fine. Now let's drag a text input component. So now let's name it as button. Let's drag it input box component. So here you just need to drag text input and it would do that. Let's name it text input, enter. And here it shows that hint, so that means the typing part which we see the header for input box. So let's here type here to translate. Now we can also change the height for like 50, no that's big, 30 or 20. Okay, now let's drag a label component which displays the translated text. So let's drag here and we'll give some margin from the upside. So let's give top, so let's give 30, and then here instead of the text label you can leave it alone and you can name it whatever you want. For now I'll be leaving it as label. Just without the text there's nothing over here. So let's go ahead and drag two main components which helps us to translate and telling it after translating. So here in the search box you need to search for text to speech. Here you need to drag over here the invisible components. There you go, you can drag there. And one more is the translator component, and you also drag below the text to speech. There you go. So now you can leave everything, just need to change this and type Spanish translate. So you can name it like whatever you want, what language you want. So now let's do the block code. So here what we'll do is we select the button and we give the code like when button is fired or clicked, we need to set the labels text, or first you need to call the translate function, which is already inbuilt. So here text to translate will be text inputs text. So here it will be, you have to drag it and put over there. And here you need to set the labels text to result because you need to keep it over here. Then what happens is that after translating it will display the result over here. And one more thing is that we need to call the speak function in the text to speech, and we need to give the text to speak as result. And one more thing you need to do is that, guys, you need to also change the text to speech. You can use this, and you need to set the text to speech default language to not Azerbaijan but to Spanish. You need to search for there you go, Spanish. Now let's go ahead and test. So now let's go and click on design, and here I need to click on live test and click on preview as a responsive web app. We'll navigate to you here. Let's type happy birthday. Let's translate.
¡Feliz cumpleaños!
There you go, we got the translation text. See you everyone. Please do like, share and subscribe. Bye.